always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nordy for another video. Today we're gonna go ahead and do the live cop for Supreme Week 16. This is the week where the Mortal Kombat shit is releasing. There's a couple things that are actually some bangers, like the stockings releasing, the Mortal Kombat machine obviously, and we also do have the lipstick, which is gonna be restocking this week. We are gonna go ahead and get into it in a little bit. Honestly, this morning I woke up, bro, and I was late as like I went to sleep hella late yesterday, like 5 in the morning. So today I was literally slumped, bro. I tried to get ready in time to do the actual live cop, and by the time I brushed my teeth and I came back out, it was literally 10:59 and 30 seconds. So I said, yo, fuck it, bro, I gotta just screen record and make it do what it do. I do apologize, but if you do end up enjoying this video, slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new or would enjoy more of this type of content. Let's go ahead and get straight to it. Right here, I'm actually waiting for the shit to release. Regular 11 shit. The shit came out and I opened the tab for both of the accessories that I wanted. This was taking forever, bro. I literally had to crop out like a solid 20 to 30 seconds. Finally loaded, and I'm like, all right, let me add it to cart. It's lagging on that already, so I'm assuming at this point shit was already selling out. I get into the cart and I start putting all my information in. I went full manual, bro. I used the Google autofill and I put my address manually. Then I copy pasted the card, did the expiration and the CVV manual, bro, and I still got high traffic. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if I got IP banned or whatever, but it just doesn't make sense. I literally got high traffic and I did everything manual. At that point, it's sold out. I took the tragic L. I go check the machine and shit, and bro, it's sold out too. Obviously, I zoom in just to dwell a little bit, but it is what it is. At this point, honestly, there's nothing I could do. I'm checking around to see if there's a slight restock or anything like that. I go check the bags. I'm assuming the bags were still there, and that's pretty much what I had for this morning. The homie Marco did actually hit on a slot for me for the lipstick, so shout out to him for that. And I don't understand what's going on with this high traffic shit. I went as fast as possible, full manual, and I still got card declined or high traffic, which is the new same shit pretty much. Honestly, it kind of is a bummer because I really did want that stocking. I feel like it would have been something cool to just hang somewhere during the Christmas times. Unfortunately, that's not the case for me. There's a lot of people who actually did hit on the machine manual. I'm assuming that a lot of people got through. It was rumored that there was like 2,400 stock, but the way that I'm seeing how many people hit, I feel like it would probably be more than that. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. This was a quick video. Live cops are usually on the shorter side. If you did enjoy this one, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click the post notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And let me know how your Thursday went, bro. Did you end up copying anything today? Is there any other releases you're looking forward to this weekend, or just anything else that you're looking to buy? Let me know in the comments below. We could chop it up. But with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.